blow it. Real hard. Real hard.
Go. Blow it. Go.
You'll have to pay for this side. Blow it.
Blow it. Blow it. Blow it. Oh!
Yay!
You done
Did it go
good.
out? Did it quit? Huh? Did it quit?
You done good. You blown out your candle.
Yay! She's still trying to blow it.
Yeah. I'll
Say
take it
happy
down now.
birthday. Hey, Madeline.
Happy birthday.
She's two. Too much.
Cake. Say cake.
She licked it. You see her lick it? What's wrong with the writing? It don't look like I wrote. Looks pretty good to me.
Cake. Ooh.
Mmm. Yum.
Is that like a little recorder?
Yummy.
Is it cake?
See, you can have your cake and eat it too.
Cake.
Is it good?
Say yummy.
I'm just gonna give her a bigger piece now.
Mmm.
Yummy. Yummy.
Did you say to lick it, Mom? Lick it, Madeline. Lick it. Lick it. She licked the cake. You just don't eat off that piece. Hey, Madeline. Madeline. Cake. Cake. You lick it?
Ooh. Piece is gonna fall off the bottom there.
Uh-oh. Hey, look at me. Madeline.
Look at mommy.
Yummy.
Well, you got cake?
Hey, Madeline. Madeline. Hey, look. Look.
Hey, look up here.
Look. Hey, Madeline, look.
She's too busy looking at that cake.
Madeline. Hey, look, look.
Cake?